Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we'll be making a Jammy Mule. Now hop on the couch and let's whip one up. First ingredient, vodka. Gonna do 1.5 ounces. So important that when you're making a simple cocktail, each ingredient you use, the better it is, the better your drink is going to turn out. So I'm using a local jam. It's also really important to support local right now. Saskatoon jam. Can only really get it in the prairies. And depending on what kind of jam that you use, it's going to be a totally different drink. So you can use peach jam, strawberry, raspberry, blackberry, pear, all would work beautifully. Or you can just use whatever jam you have in your fridge. Next, we're going to use 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Use fresh whenever you can. And that's it. I'm going to shake it. Don't forget to shake it hard. So now we're going to strain it. Go ahead and pour. And then we're going to top it off with some ginger ale. And this is made in New York, but I bought it from a local retailer, and it has fresh ginger in it. Whatever you use, if it has fresh ginger in it, it's going to be the best option. So we're going to add 3 ounces. This also actually has pieces of ginger, and it does say on the label to shake gingerly before you open. Yeah. So 3 ounces of ginger beer. You can top it off with a little bit of ice if you want. And a nice lime wheel. There you have it. Cheers.